Hi, I'm Adam DeJans. I'm the General Sales Manager at Wally Edgar Chevrolet. We know that there's been a lot of questions out there regarding the current circumstances around inventory levels, and we hope that this video answers a lot of your questions.
How long will it take to get my custom ordered Chevrolet?
There's been a lot of delays due to the unforeseen microchip shortage, but Chevrolet is doing everything that they can to fulfill all orders. Under optimal conditions, you're probably somewhere around 8 to 12 weeks.
My lease is up soon. Will I have to go without a vehicle?
So the easy answer is no, because we've already worked out all the details with GM Financial to keep you in the lease that you're in a lease extension, until your order actually comes in from General Motors.
I am going over mileage on my lease. Will I be charged mileage penalties?
So again, the answer is no. We're going to supply GM Financial with your custom order number, and then they're going to add the prorated miles to your extension. In other words, if you did a 12,000 mile a year lease and needed a 3-month extension, you'd be given an additional 1,000 a month for 3,000 miles total.
I need a vehicle right away and I don't want to wait for a custom order. What do you offer?
So we totally understand. There are hundreds of vehicles in our order banks. We've been holding those on a first come, first served basis, and so many of them have been spoken for. However, if you're flexible with colors and options, there are still plenty to choose from.
What if programs or incentives get better when my custom order arrives?
You would get the better offer. The reason for the custom factory order program is to lock down the savings today, so this way you can get the best deal possible.
What is a buildable custom order?
So every week we get a list of options and colors that the factory has put on constraint. What that simply means is that those are the items that the factory is not building that week. But our sales staff is up to date on these constraints, so this way you'll know how to get your order in the quickest possible time frame.
I have excess wear policy on my current lease. Does that continue through my extension?
So good news there, the answer is yes, up to 180 days. So after a 6-month extension, you would be responsible for excessive wear. It's even more of a reason to come in and visit us and get your custom order in today.